to the 2018 Race Across America Chocolate Rocket Series. Make sure you subscribe because I'm going to be posting a video every day for 7 days straight, and this is day one. Check it out. So I made it to San Clemente where our team captain lives, and the whole drive over my back has been killing me. I mean, it hurts a lot. I'm not sure what happened. Just stopped to get me a little breakfast burrito. Got out of the car to stretch it. I don't know what it is. It's bad timing, tell you that much. Hopefully I can get it stretched out today, massage or something, and have it go away because I cannot start the race like this.
What's going down?
This is it.
This is it. It's showtime. 24 hours. It's game time.
You're walking a little tenderly there, man.
Dude, I'm trying to save it. Trying to save everything I got.
This is Alex, everyone.
What's up?
So we got to add reflective tape to all parts of the bike per the rules. So when the inspection happened today, if it's not on there, I'm not sure what will happen besides forcing yourself to put it on there, but I know if you're late to inspection, you get an hour penalty. So you don't want to start off the race with an hour penalty.
Oh, we need one more strip for this reflective.
We don't need one.
So right now we're at bike inspection, and this is a big deal. You have to have all these certain things like reflective tape and whatnot on your bikes. For instance, stuff like this, Let's go. All this stuff has to be off, and we have to show the staff of RAM. They have to see all this stuff and check us off. If you don't comply, you can be fined, you cannot start, all sorts of things. So they're doing all the inspection stuff. All this paperwork has to be done, signed off by RAM staff.
AYJ 340, so let's start over.
Now they're going to look at one.
So we'll just run through a few quick things. Our race staff, these are the people that make this thing happen. They're the ones that work all year on Race Across America, World's Toughest Bicycle Race.
Look at what I found. The man himself. This guy, I talked to him last night for about 30 minutes.
I know,
he gave me all the ins and outs of what I need to expect on this
awesome
journey.
The weather looks good though.
Weather looks good. So
wind looks good.
He's
Southwest.
a veteran.
Southwest winds. That's what we're hoping for.
All right, Chris DeMarcus on an 8-man team, so rooting for you. Good luck, man.
Awesome.
Crush that record, Chris.
The day is here.
It's here.
Race Across America 2018 Chocolate Rocket Edition. And I got my mate from down under, my old mate.
Good eye.
Good day. Bought a flight 72 hours ago, and he's here in the United States. He says he's gonna see the country at 12 miles an hour average. Well, let's hope we go faster than that.
Yeah.
Let's hope we go faster than that. Yeah, yeah. If it's only one person, actually one person's killing it right now.
Yeah.
So this is the day. We better. If we don't go as fast as that guy, we need to reevaluate our careers. This is it though. The day is here. This is all these people that are part of our crew. Yes. Say hi.
Hey.
Lots of families are out. Loved ones. All the new staff getting a little bit more training on bike racks, and yeah, it's this is it. This is the day. So thanks for watching. Remember to hit that button up in the YouTube channel so you get my updates. And this is Ram 2018 Chocolate Rocket Edition. Peace. So now we're at the starting gates.
It's game time.
2, 1. Good luck.
Here we go, guys.
That's our support staff right there. He's struggling with the whatever you call that thing.
Next up from the USA, Team
Yeah!
Foundation. Team NEGER stands for Never Ever Give Up Fighting Childhood Cancer. The Bahati Foundation supporting inner city youth and higher achievement in education, sports, and music. The gentleman on the far right here is Rasan Bahati, the founder of that foundation. They are also racing for Augie's Quest, working to find a cure for ALS.
That's it, folks. I won't see you for a while. Thanks for watching, though. This is going to be a good ride. We'll talk to you later. Hey, I'm checking in with you guys. 50 miles in, my first Ram. The first 15 was really chill. The last 25 was pretty tough for me. I was going pretty good. My teammate flatted, and I had to keep going on my own. They finally caught up to me, got us swap out, and now we're in our full rotation. So we'll be doing about 20 minutes on, and you get about 35 minutes off before the next rider goes. So stay tuned. Thanks for watching. Team NEGER.